Welcome to LiteHouse Shelters, Step 1 Assembly. So you get your side walls together, laying down, tilt up your floor, bolt, screw them together with the flanges, and once it's all together, then one or two men can lift this whole unit up and bring it to the top. Joey, the shop dog, is not helping matters. So I'm lifting it on my own. And then this is the troubling part. So then you plop it on down and you have one half of the shelter. Now that one comes together, bolts, slides, pulls in, and bolts to this one.